Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we gonna talk about the their testing and recovery plans of how to choose object storage target repository. Cloud-based recovery allows recovery from anywhere, and public clouds can replicate data across multiple sites automatically. The disaster recovery or recovery site must have network connectivity to the cloud. On-premises solutions require a defined disaster recovery setup. A second copy of the object storage of site that is replicated from the primary site. Recovery at the DR site will access this replicated object storage. Corporate strategies such as mainframe modernization or cloud first. You should be able to quickly move mainframe data to the cloud platforms by modernizing backup and archive functions. Cloud also offers either policy-driven and or automatic tiering of data to lower the cost of cold storage. If there is no cloud initiative, the on-premises solution may be preferred. Many object storage providers have options to push the data from on-premises to public cloud. So, hot data can be closed and cold data can be placed on clouds. So thanks for watching our today's video. We hope you like the video. Share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.